Today, I'll show you how to create a Salesforce account. Whether you're new to Salesforce or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and straightforward way. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to salesforce.com. Once you're on the Salesforce homepage, take a moment to look around. Salesforce offers a variety of products and solutions, but for now, we'll focus on getting you signed up. On the homepage, you should see a sign up option. Click on it, and you'll be presented with a couple of choices for creating your account. You can sign up using your email address, or, if you prefer, you can use your Google account. Choosing to sign up with your Google account can be a convenient option if you want to simplify the login process and avoid having to remember another password. However, if you use your email, make sure it's an active one that you have access to, as you'll need to verify it later. After you've chosen your sign-up method, you'll be guided through the onboarding process. Salesforce's onboarding is designed to be user-friendly and will help tailor your experience to better suit your needs. You'll be asked for some basic information such as your name and company details if applicable. Providing accurate information will ensure that Salesforce can offer you the most relevant features and support. While proceeding through the onboarding steps, take your time to read any instructions or prompts that appear. Salesforce might ask about your role, industry, or what you aim to achieve using their platform. This information helps Salesforce customize the dashboard and provide you with the tools that are most relevant to your goals. Once you've completed the onboarding process, you're all set to start exploring what Salesforce has to offer. You can begin by familiarizing yourself with the main dashboard, which is your central hub for accessing various features and applications. Don't hesitate to take advantage of any tutorials or guides that Salesforce offers to help you get the most out of your new account. And that's it. You've successfully created your Salesforce account. Remember, the more you explore and engage with the platform, the more you'll uncover ways it can benefit you and your business. If you ever need to revisit any settings, Salesforce makes it easy to adjust your preferences and tailor your experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Salesforce support or check out their wealth of resources online. Happy exploring!